Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Tammy Stoffel with Stampin' Tammy, and I am here for a very quick Tuesday tip. We have this product called the blender pen. Okay, the blender pen is does just exactly what it says. It blends color. Okay, and the beauty of this pen, it's rather understated. You can take a line art item like this, the green and the red of the berries. I actually colored in using the blender pen with two different techniques. So this is going to be very brief as I'm getting ready to go out the door for work here in just a few minutes. So I'm going to take this holly sprig, or the holly sprig from the Whimsical Trees stamp set, and that's what this image is. I'm going to stamp that, and I'll show you what it looks like without the color and how easy this blender pen works to add that color right in. So you don't have to have a whole pile of supplies to be able to color in those line art images. So I'm just stamping this with shaded spruce. I'll close up my ink pad so I don't get my finger in it. And then I take the blender pen without any ink on it. Okay, see the little bit of color on the tip here? That is just staining. And I'm just going to pull that fresh ink from the edges to fill in the image. Now, if you want to make it more darker image, like what I've got in the first example, then you can just dip the tip of the blender pen into the ink pad just ever so slightly. It doesn't take much. And then you can pull that color in here. Hopefully you can see around my left hand. Just pull that color from the edges. Okay, and then when you're ready to clean off the tip, just scrub it along on a piece of scratch paper, and you can see there's a little bit of staining yet, but this actually comes out clear. Okay, for the berries, because I don't have the image stamped in the red, I'm going to take the real red ink pad, and you can see where this one here is stained with pink, but it's clear. No color transfers because I did scrub that off. You're just going to take that tip and just ever so slightly touch the tip of the blender pen in the ink pad, and then add that to the berries. And you can go back in and add a little more color to deepen that. And there you go. You have your image filled in from the blender pen. And you can see how much ink actually is left on this tip here. This is my scribbles from cleaning this tip off. But as you scrub along, it cleans up quite nicely. And you can see here, I don't have any color transfer. So the blender pens, I believe they come in a 3-pack, and inexpensive, but well worth the investment to work with and play with, soften your edges, that sort of thing. All right. Thanks for watching. And as always, remember to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment, and like my videos. It helps with everything. So have a good afternoon, or good day, I should say. We're expecting snow here, so we'll see what happens when I get home from work. Thanks, everybody.